Hey guys, Tech with the video for you guys with one thing you must do after you do a software update on any iPhone or any iOS device for that matter. And this is going to be one of the very first thing we like to do, and we're going to explain to you why you want to do that as well. And what we're talking about is a forced restart. So forced restart is completely different from a normal shutdown where you simply hold the side button and one of the volume up or down button and you just slide it to power off, and then you turn it on by pressing that. Now, forced restart goes a little bit further where it completely shuts down the phone and then reloads your code. So the reason why you want to do it after every software update is that once a software update happens, your phone gets a bunch of new code or lines of code that needs to be recompiled and reloaded into its actual hardware and the memory of it so that it can work the way it's intended to. So how to do a forced restart? Well, first you're going to press and release the volume up, and then next followed by press and release the volume down. So it's going to be one after another, a sequence, volume up, volume down, and finally on the right hand side you're going to hold the side button here until the screen goes completely black. At that time you'll see the Apple logo reappear, and then you'll let go of that button. So you're going to do volume up, volume down, finally the side button, and we're not going to again slide to power off because that will be a normal turn on and off. This goes a little bit further in resolving issue and reloading the code. As you can see here, the phone went completely black, but don't worry, as you're holding this button you finally will see the Apple logo reappear, and after the Apple logo reappears, the phone's gonna again reload the software of the update that happened, and it should get you back into the main screen and you're able to put in your passcode, and hopefully it will fix, first of all, any issues that you might be having with your iPhone, because it now recompiled the code. It will optimize your performance. You'll notice your phone working like it was brand new, and finally all those bug fixes that Apple usually releases with each update should be gone, and hopefully it is working for you. So go ahead, and every time you do a software update, remember to do a forced restart. And if you haven't done a forced restart in a while, it never hurts to do it, because this method will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, but it will help you see a big boost in your phone's performance from time to time if you do this forced restart. So I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please make sure to like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices in the future. See you guys next time.